GAC Honda's terminal discounts are still very good, and the discounts on the gasoline and hybrid versions of the vehicles on sale are still encouraging. At 4,716 mm long, 1866 mm wide, and 1,691 mm high, the Breeze is a massive car with the most interior space in its class. Family trips can be accommodated in a 7-passenger configuration, and the third row is spacious enough for even adults to sit upright. Folding the third row provides instant storage. There's also a magic trunk, with a high/low movable floor, making loading as easy as playing Jenga. The trunk of the 5-passenger gasoline version expands to 627 liters and can easily accommodate 3 or 4 sets of camping gear. While the PHEV version has a capacity of 586 liters, the PHEV version uses a lower floor, expanding to 658 liters. It can easily fit a 2-person tent, an air mattress, and a case of ice drinks, ensuring the ultimate camping experience. High temperatures and long-distance driving during summer months are a double test for power, but thanks to Haoying's 3-power combination, there's no need to worry. The gasoline version is equipped with a 1.5T DOHC direct injection VTEC 240 turbo turbocharged engine and a CVT continuously variable transmission. Even in 38 degrees Celsius heat, while gripping the road and with the air conditioning on full blast, power output remains constant, even when climbing hills and overtaking. You can travel hundreds of kilometers on a single tank of gas without frequent queues at gas stations. The HEV version's 4th-generation IMMD dual-motor hybrid system is an energy-saving expert. The 2.0L direct-injection Atkinson engine boasts 41% thermal efficiency and tightly controls energy consumption even on hot days. Combined with intelligent energy management and navigation planning, the battery constantly surface charges and discharges, saving fuel and anxiety. The PHEV version maximizes long-distance freedom. With its massive 17.7 kilowatt-hour battery and 1,060 kilometer NEDC range, you don't have to worry about how many more kilometers while chasing sunsets on intercity roads. On a full charge, it drives like a pure electric car. It's so quiet you can hear the cicadas chirping outside the window. Even when underpowered, fuel consumption is just 4.8 liters/100 km, without sacrificing power. Summer range anxiety? Absolutely not. The Breeze's body also boasts robust protection. 10 airbags, standard across all models, provide reliable protection in the event of an accident. Key areas, such as the A and B pillars, are welded with airtight 1500 MPa hot-formed steel and integrated into the ACE monocoque body. The vehicle intelligently dissipates energy elsewhere in the event of a collision. With the doors closed, rain and traffic sounds fade into background noise. While occupants in the back seat can watch videos in peace, those in the front can chat comfortably. Even the most challenging roads feel as reassuring as navigating the park below.
you.